Welcome to Looking at the Markets. I want to show you the stocks that I'll be looking at for the coming week. And these are daily candlestick charts provided by finviz.com. I want to start with NVIDIA, NVDA stock. A lot of people are talking about it. A lot of people are buying it, and there's a lesson here. Just because the stock has gone up probably too much doesn't mean you want to short it, okay? I don't short or short sell stocks that are heavily in favor because they can keep going up even if it's seemingly irrational. NVIDIA stock went from 150 at the beginning of the year to 300 in less than half a year, doubled. And so some people might have thought, well, this is up too much, too soon, too fast. Gonna short it, gonna short sell it. Yeah, that didn't turn out too well. Went down a little bit and then boom, up. Some people might have thought, okay, now it's 400. We'll short it here. Went down a little bit and then boom, right? So that's a lesson here. Don't stand in the way of a steamroller, okay, or a rocket ship going to the moon. It doesn't mean you have to buy it either, but you don't have to short it if you don't want to. Now you have to make your own decisions, do your own due diligence always. It's your money. You're responsible for it. UNH stock, United Healthcare. And so what happened when so many people were buying technology stocks recently, they had to come up with the money to buy these technology stocks. So I think a lot of people sold their defensive stocks, healthcare, consumer, defensive, that kind of thing. So here's an example, UNH, United Healthcare stock. There was a symmetrical triangle, and then it just broke down. Even as other stocks were going up, UNH down. I like this level. It's been there before, around 460 or so. Seems to be holding it. I want to see what happens next week before I jump into it. Humana, very similar, right? Healthcare type of stock like UNH, Humana, HUM. And both of these had a symmetrical triangle and a breakdown and a couple days of consolidation. Same thing here. Symmetrical triangle, breakdown, couple of days of consolidation. Seems okay, but we'll see what happens next week. Friday was a little rough, down 4% for Humana stock. So I want to see what happens next week. Foot Locker, FL stock. So this one just got dumped. Yikes. Huge gap down. And then a continuation move for a week and a half to 2 weeks after that. And so after a huge gap down, do you want to buy immediately? I mean, it's up to you. I don't, usually. There are exceptions. But what often happens is there's a huge down day, and then all the article writers and commentators, analysts, social media gurus come out and start downgrading or talking trash about the company. And so that causes some people to continue selling. That may be what happened here. But there's a rebound possibly in progress. There's that fish hook, right? You see the fish hook down and then curling up. So I'm kind of liking this one. I think this might be my pick of the week. FL, Foot Locker stock. Not bad. Getting back to consumer defensive type stocks, that probably got dumped because people, again, wanted to raise cash to buy NVIDIA stock and other tech stocks, Microsoft, AI, things like that. So there's a rotation, it seems, out of these defensive types of stocks, such as KHC, Kraft Heinz. And this thing came down. It seems to be holding the support level at $37, Kraft Heinz stock. Bounced off of there before, and also back here. So, it's okay, but there's a huge air pocket down below, all the way to $33. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. More consumer defensive, Campbell's Soup stock, CPB. There was support at $50, but that's old news. It broke down. Seems to be a little mini fish hook here, though. Is it a support level? Yeah, around 46, give or take. It's not an exact science all the time. Sometimes you approximate, or you can. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this one. Decent price. Huge company. Yeah. Usually not volatile, but this thing was a mover to the downside not long ago. I'm kind of liking this one. AG, want to talk about First Majestic silver stock. If you like silver, I know I do. as an investment that this is one way to play silver and silver mining. It's a very famous, well-known miner for silver, First Majestic AG stock. And look how cheap it is. Holding 550. This thing's way down, and down more than it should be, I think. So it bounced off of 550 before. Nice bounce too. Could it bounce here? Yeah, it's possible. I can't make any guarantees, but I'm liking it here. And CGC stock, Canopy Growth Corp. This thing has just been demolished. And look at the difference. See, at least AG stock bounced off of this level once. So there's some support there, some confidence. No guarantees, but confidence that it could bounce off of here again. Whereas with this one, the support was way up here. Pretty strong support, it seemed like, at $2.25 for CGC stock. Now it's just continuously going down with some little bumps along the way. But where's the support? All right, where's the buying? I don't see institutional investors. I don't see the investing whales getting in here and supporting it, propping it up at all. So I'm a little wary of it. And so I'm staying out of it. All right. So I like this one, AG stock, First Majestic. And then after that, yeah, Foot Locker. This is a nice pattern here. Nice fishhook looking thing. This could be large investors coming in and buying at low prices after the retails, the amateurs might have dumped it. That's possible. So I hope this is helpful to you. I want you to find bargains, and I want you to put them on your watch list and think about whether you want to buy them. What's your strategy? What's your plan? Because if you don't have a plan, it's probably going to be a lot of trouble for you. So strategize before you hit that buy button or sell button. All right, so I want to thank you for watching and listening. I will talk to you again very soon.